Hello, my name is Milind Deshmukh. Today's date is 18 March 2024, and my today's topic is inheritance in Java and with a real-time example. So, as we know, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Means object-oriented programming language means object-oriented programming system is a system which provides means multiple feature like it help to increase the reusability of code and provide the structural format of the development during development and while writing a code. So we will discuss today about the inheritance. As we know, there are four pillars of object oriented programming system, that is encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism and inheritance. So inheritance is the one of them, and which is important pillar of object oriented programming system. So what is inheritance? So inheritance means when we create a new class, so new class can create the means inherit the property of their parent class. So this mechanism known as the inheritance. So how we can achieve that property? So how a new class can means a new class can inherit the feature of their parent class, or their means, and how child class can achieve the means features and properties of the parent class. So we will discuss today in today's video. So the child class can child class can achieve the properties and the feature of their parent class, which also known as the superclass, by using a extend keyword. So when we create a new any new class, at the time of creation of new class, means we write the class name and we use a keyword, that is extends. So by using that keyword, and after that we write the name of the parent class. So at that time we the new class achieves the properties of the their parent class. So there are some means types of the inheritance in Java, like single inheritance. So single inheritance means the child class have only one parent. So the in that case the inheritance known as single inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance means there is a one means a grandparent, there, and another one is a parent, and the third one is a child, or a multiple, it may be in a means a like a, it's may like a ladder. So this is how the means the multi-level inheritance exists. And another one is a means hierarchical inheritance. Means a child class have means a parent have a multiple childs. So how is that possible in inheritance? So we will discuss that, like means for example, there is a class A which means extends the class B and also extends the class C. So this is how the means a single parent class have two child classes. So, in that case we can achieve the hierarchical inheritance. And there is one another type in Java of inheritance, that is the multiple inheritance. So means we cannot achieve directly multiple inheritance in Java. So multiple inheritance means a child have a multiple parents. So means Java directly we cannot achieve the scenario of means multiple inheritance. And there is one another is a hybrid inheritance. So this all was the types of the inheritance. Now we will discuss about the means real time example of inheritance. So as we know, so we will consider the example of mobile phone. Means in simple language, if I want to explain the what is inheritance, so in that case I will use the example of means is my it's my personal opinion. So to means to explain the example of inheritance. So I have a simple phone of Nokia, which have only feature means only feature of calling and the receiving call. And and this mobile version is means older than 10 year or 7 years. So at that time there is only feature of calling and means receive and the receiving call. But after that the technology get improved, but I don't want to change, or I don't want to remove the old code which I was using to means calling and the receiving calls. But I want to means but I want to add some new code in my development or in my project. So in that case what I can do, uh, and parallelly I don't want to remove my existing code, so I can create some new classes which have their own properties, and which can means inherit the older properties, means the old properties of the project. So in that case we can do the we can inherit the properties of the parent class, and we can write the properties to the, or we can assign that old properties of parent class to the child class. So this is how we can means we can means inherit the properties of parent class to the child class. And at that time, by using the means the scenario of inheritance, so we can means we can provide the new, or we can means update the features of our mobile phone by adding some multiple new features, and by and also using the old code. In that case I don't need to remove the old code and rewrite it again, so I can means add the code in my project, or in my means functionality of my mobile phone. And it was all about the inheritance in Java. Thank you.